When I'm casting fixed spool, I do a few things. One thing, I make sure that the spool's at the bottom end of the shaft so it doesn't strain the shaft when you cast. When I don't have a finger guard, I wrap the line around the grip 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I then hold it with my thumb, pull the line back and open the bail. That way you're just releasing with your thumb. The other thing, whenever I'm casting my thread line high, I always point my thumb in line with my other thumb so I can keep my left arm as straight as possible during the turn. As I said, when you let go, it just uncoils. When casting off the ground, or even with my pendulum, I try to always start with my hand low and then lift up. So a lot of guys start with their hand high. This puts a lot of pressure on your abductor muscle. I don't like it.